Hey folks, hope you're having an awesome day. Manny here with Mobile Tire Pros. Thank you so much for watching our video. Just kind of want to show you around. We're inside of a trailer right now, and this is our full service mobile tire shop. That machine right there is our tire changer, and then over here, that's our tire balancer. We can install tires pretty much anywhere around the Denver metro area. We'll go as far north as Fort Collins, as far south as Castle Rock, west to Golden, and east to probably DIA. This machine can pretty much handle anything you throw at it. I think it does wheels up to 28 inches and tires up to 40 inches. So I don't know a whole lot of people that are running anything bigger than that. We can install them at home, at your office, even while you're at the mall, or doing pretty much whatever it is you need to be doing, other than sitting at a tire shop waiting or having to coordinate dropping off a car, stuff like that. You can get your new tires from us, or you can get them wherever you'd like. Tire Rack, Amazon, pretty much anywhere online that you choose. You can have them shipped to your house and we can install them, or some of the places, I believe Tire Rack and TireBuyer.com, will ship the tires to us, and then we'll show up, install them, haul away your old tires. Super simple. It doesn't get any easier than that. Any questions, give us a call, send us a text message. Happy to answer them. Once again, folks, Manny with Mobile Tire Pros here in Denver, Colorado. Have an awesome day.